You nervous?
A little bit. Yeah.
Why are you nervous?
I'm just I'm just not like used to this. Sorry.
Used to what?
Just being here, speaking out loud in front of
You're not used to being in court, facing criminal charges, that kind of thing.
yeah, I'm not used to it.
Well, then you ought to conduct your life where that won't happen, right? Yeah. Yeah. Court does call the case, People versus Caleb Smith.
Lawrence H. Margolis with and on behalf of Mr. Smith, who is approaching. Caleb, please state your name for the court.
Caleb Smith.
Thank you.
Judge, we are waiting on a couple additional discovery supplements, I believe, from the prosecutor's office. I know there's body cam as well as a download of the phone that hasn't been completed yet. I spoke to Mr. Childers, and for him to be available the next time, we'd like him to be here since he's has a understanding of this matter, and I've been working with him. Would be that, what was that, Andrew, 27?
27.
We'd like to.
Oh, we don't pick dates.
Sorry?
We don't pick dates.
Yeah, we're seeking to adjourn it for a couple weeks.
Yeah, just start with the discovery request. There was this is a U of M Police Department case, but Ann Arbor Police ultimately apprehended the defendant. I was able to get that video at the end of the day yesterday, so Mr. Margolis should have that momentarily. And my understanding is Detective Matthews with U of M Police was at our office earlier, helping out some discovery. So
This one I was my teacher told me to put there. So verification.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned March 27th, 2025. 9 a.m. as your invite indicates. As to bond, how's it going?
How's it going?
It's going good. Attended school and church. I've been going daily, regularly, and my grades are as if I have them right here. Really to show.
May I approach?
Those are the grade classes, like similar here.
And the ones that are not the marks that we would want and expect, we've been advised that those were the weeks that he wasn't here, and those grades are going to be changed imminently.
His participation grade.
Yeah, you have to be in class for cooking.
What'd you send me the other day? A pizza?
Good breakfast now.
Nice.
You can do better than that.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
How's it going with him?
Better. Seeing a therapist, and I even haven't enrolled the one tuition
Pardon?
in the mentoring program Saturday.
Oh,
Signed them up for it, but we can't discuss that yet. A little bit better.
I did forget to let the court know that Miss Barrow has requested, there's a mentoring program, and I can get the prosecutor in your office some information on this. She just let me know about it. It's in, where is it?
It's in Ypsilanti.
It's in Ypsilanti. She's wanting to, what's it called?
With
My Brother's Keeper. He was hoping to be able to attend that.
all right. Well, get that information to the prosecutor. I'm aware of their services and programs, so it might be good for him.
I'll get that to them immediately.
Probably outside of myself, they'll be able to tell you that you're not all that. Sometimes you're special, but you're not that special.
Understood.
All right, but everything else is going good with you.
Yeah.
Caleb, why do you think I threw you in jail?
Well, to learn a lesson and
To do what?
so like what I believe is to learn a lesson and to let know.
Okay, I'll accept that. What lesson do you think I wanted you to learn?
like, excuse me, if I take a moment, just processing, to, to, sorry, I'm just, to like help me realize, this is what I believe, to help me realize that, like, me, this is what I realize is that I'm not meant for this, or that to own up, like, I don't know, just to say, like, I'm just going to speak from my heart, and that, sorry, I'm having trouble talking, but like the lesson I've learned was that I learned that I didn't want to be there, and that I would focus on school, and the lesson, even with the get a 3.5 and higher, I've been like aiming for that, and that helped me realize that I can like achieve it. And what else? That's all I have for now. I'm sorry if I didn't say anything clearly. I'm just, but I've learned a lot, and that my actions affect not only just me but others, and that, what else?
Just want to keep improving.
Yeah, mostly just keep improving, and that's what I have been doing.
You nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
Why are you nervous?
I'm just, I'm just not like used to this. Sorry,
Used to what?
just being here, speaking out loud in front of.
You're not used to being in court, facing criminal charges, that kind of thing?
Yeah, I'm not used to.
Well, then you ought to conduct your life where that won't happen. Right? Part of the reason and what I asked you is why you thought I locked you out, what you were learning.
Mhm.
You know, when you got here, just so that you know this, I watched your mother. And probably the only reason that you're out is because of your mother. A lot of times what people don't realize is that sometimes there is nobody else in the world that cares about you, trying to look out for you, praying for you, except your mother. And I watched that woman sit there as her son was going off to jail. And when he came back out, and in all of that, it was breaking her heart. But I can tell you, and I don't know your mom, but I can tell from the look, I can tell by her posture. She just kept praying. And throughout all of that, and even after all of this, and you, I'm not talking about the criminal charge, but you doing the stuff of violating your bond. That woman never gave up faith in you. That's who you owe it to. Remember something I told you about where you were going to run into problems with me?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was one of the ways you were going to run into problems?
Um, one of the ways was, well, that I believe that when you said, if I can't respect my mother, or if I can't respect the courts, that was like a problem.
I always believe in letting people know where they stand. And I'm not shy. You disappoint her, I'm sending you. We're clear on that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Get those grades up. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge. See you.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Dog Eat Dog Court TV. It's been a little minute. I shouldn't have left you without a video to step to. I apologize. I promise I'm going to make my best attempt to post every single day. In this courtroom moment, we have a young defendant. He's back in court on a bond violation. His attorney is asking for a continuation as they wait for more discovery. But the real focus is this young defendant. Um, in no uncertain terms, the judge is letting him know that his mother is the only reason that he's been given another chance. The judge calls out Caleb's repeated violations, noting that despite everything, his mother has never stopped showing up to court and has never stopped praying for him and working with the courts in general. From a legal perspective, it's a perfect example of a judge using judicial discretion to send a message beyond the law, focusing on rehabilitation and personal accountability rather than strictly punishment. The judge ties Caleb's bond to his behavior, his grades, emphasizing that continued violations will result in jail, but he leaves the door open for redemption, if Caleb stays in school and respects his mom and follows all of her wishes. Judges often balance a fine line of public safety, personal reform, family dynamics, et cetera. But the judge makes it clear that respect for court and family, and especially his mother, are non-negotiable. This hearing is definitely a reminder that the criminal justice system isn't just about laws. It's also about real lives and real relationships. And despite the judge's final message, basically saying, if you disrespect her again, I'm sending you to jail, I think that, personal behavior outside of the court is going to directly affect Caleb's legal outcomes. And I think the judge did a phenomenal job in this video. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time.